In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to set the default video resolution and frame rate for your iPhone's camera. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but these instructions should apply to pretty much any other iPhone. So every time you go to your camera app and go to video, the default video resolution and frame rate is going to be shown up there. Okay, so you can change it from here. So from HD, you can go to 4K, and even 4K, you can change the frame rate between 24 FPS, 30 frames per second, and also 60 frames per second. But if you don't want to keep changing and you have a specific resolution and frame rate that you want to be recording in, then you can put it as a default in the settings. So go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down to camera, tap on that. Under camera, go to record video, tap on that, and you can see it keeps defaulting to HD 60 because that is what is selected here. So if you want to be recording all your videos at 4K 60, you can select that and then go back. Now every time you launch the camera, let's just exit the camera. Now when you launch the camera and go to video, you can see it defaults straight to 4K 60 instead of HD 60. And that's basically how you can set the default video resolution and frame rate for your iPhone's camera. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.